Munnar, where cloud kisses the hills, tea plantations roll endlessly, and every corner feels like a dream. If you're planning a trip to this charming hill station in Kerala, your stay should be just as magical as the destination itself. In Munnar, there are many beautiful resorts. And in today's video, we are showing you 3 stunning resorts in Munnar that offer breathtaking views, cozy stays, and unforgettable experiences. This is perfect whether you are here for a honeymoon, family getaway, or a peaceful break in nature. The Valle Resort is located on the top of scenic hill. It feels like you are floating above the clouds. The valley is located around 8 kilometers, roughly a 20 minutes drive from the town center. The location is incredibly peaceful, far from traffic and noise, making it ideal for couples or anyone looking to unwind. The best part is, rooms comes with a private jacuzzi and massive glass windows that open to a 360-degree valley views, perfect for that sunrise soak or stargazing night. The best part of this resort is the view and the food. Even from the restaurant, you get the same stunning view as the rooms. We had all our meals here, and honestly, the food was amazing. They serve a huge variety from North Indian Kerala specialities to continental dishes. There is something for everyone. The price of the rooms usually start from 8,000 to 15,000 per night, but rates can vary with the season, so always check online.
Like we can see literally valley view from here, and that too from jacuzzi.
We ended up spending our entire time just inside the resort because it has so much to offer. We attended a tea tasting session where we got to try different local teas, key making workshop, and even went cycling to a nearby viewpoint. If you are someone who enjoys stunning views, good food, and cozy vibes without stepping out much, the Valle is a perfect pick. Next is Eden Woods, a hidden gem surrounded by lush greenery and forest vibes. The distance from Munnar town is around 6 kilometers and it takes approximately 15 to 20 minutes drive. If you are into nature and rustic charm, you will love this place. The cottages are wooden themed with earthy tones and sit in the middle of tall trees, almost like staying in a forest cabin. The view from every room is simply magical. One of our favorite spots here was the swimming pool. You can literally float around while enjoying the river view, which is super relaxing. But that's not all. Eden Woods has a bunch of fun activities you usually don't find in regular resorts. Rain dance, zip lining, rope walk, wall climbing, and lots of space for short nature walks and games. And the restaurant offers beautiful views, and they serve homemade meals made with the local ingredients. You can opt for all 3 meals and the food is simple, fresh and delicious. Price starts around 3,000 to 6,000 per night depending on the room type and season. If you are looking for a fun, nature-filled stay with the perfect mix of adventure and peace, Eden Woods is a great choice, especially for families with kids. Next is Pleasant Hill Resort. It's one of the few pet-friendly resorts in Munnar. Distance from Munnar town is about 20 kilometers, roughly 45 minutes drive. Even though it's a bit far from the main town, the drive is totally worth it. The property is large, beautifully maintained and surrounded by dense greenery with panoramic mountain views. Our furry friend was more than welcome here, and the staff even helped out with cozy corner for pets in the room. The rooms are spacious, well lit and super clean, with balconies that open to stunning sunrise views. We even went for morning cycling around the property, and it was such a refreshing experience. There is also a lovely garden where Lucy had a great time running around. Their restaurant serves all-day meals, and we absolutely loved the Kerala-style breakfast and dinner options. Prices starts around 2,500 to 6,000 per night depending on your room choice and season. If you're traveling with pets or just looking for a peaceful, spacious stay with beautiful views and great food, Pleasant Hill Resort is an excellent choice. So whether you are looking for a luxury stay with a view, a nature escape or a pet-friendly gateway, these 3 resorts in Munnar have something for everyone. Let us know in the comments which one you would love to stay at. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss more travel videos like this. And follow us on Instagram for behind the scene reels and live travel updates from the road. Thank you.